Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's episode. So at the recording of this video, we are preparing supper or dinner if you may like. So we are preparing sardines, that's omena, and we're going to have it with ugali and sukuma wiki. So we have a guest who's going to help us to prepare the omena, and she's going to show us how to prepare omena, and she's so good at this, and I will introduce her to you guys. She's my niece, and she's so good at this, guys, and I hope that you learn from her, and I hope that you're going to try this recipe in your own kitchen. Come with me, guys, and let's do this. So guys, this is Cynthia. She's so good at preparing omena, so she's going to show you and us how to prepare this meal. So Cynthia, introduce yourself.
Okay, hello guys, I'm Cynthia. So as the way she has told you, we're going to prepare omena for supper, and I hope you'll enjoy. Welcome to Jemmyfoodie's kitchen.
We've already placed the omena pot to the omena in water, and we are boiling it. To boil a bit. It's more of blanching, not like boiling too much, before we can start cooking it. So after sorting our omena, we've put it in water and allowed it to boil. We're actually blanching it, not so much boiling. So we are checking if the omena is ready for us to rinse it off. Yes, Cynthia is going to guide us on how to do that. Okay, so Cynthia, for how long are we boiling the omena, blanching before we rinse them and then start frying?
Okay, you need to boil omena for like 5 to 10 minutes for it not to be bitter. Yeah, for it not to be bitter,
to remove the bitterness.
Yeah.
So you blanch or boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, but don't overdo it, right?
Yes.
So we're going to go ahead and rinse the omena as we drain now this water that has boiled with it. Okay, so our omena is ready for rinsing before we can start frying. You rinse until the water coming out is clean, right?
Yes.
Our omena is now clean. We can allow it to drain any more water before we can start frying. We have put our omena in the pan without oil first. We want it to dry the water kabisa before we can add our oil. Yeah? Cynthia?
Yes.
First, you not put oil. Just let dry the water that you need to wash. So once the omena has dried the water, we're going to add oil. Yeah. Add enough amount of oil to fry the omena now. So Cynthia, when do you know the omena is ready so that you can add the rest of the ingredients, others, onions and tomatoes?
Okay, when your omena are now crunchy enough, you can add your onions. Then you keep on flipping until the onions are golden brown. Then you can add up your tomatoes.
Okay, so once the omenas are crunchy, you add the onions. You fry until the onions start turning golden brown. Then you will add your tomatoes. We will take you step by step there, and you'll see everything as we are doing it. by the way, and her name is Akini. So when you know it's Akini, you know the omena is going to slap. So don't forget to follow up on this recipe until the end of this video so that you can see how she's preparing the amazing omena. You will never have omena like this one, guys. So can you try? Like,
Yeah,
how mind of doing it for crunchy and not possible?
yeah, you can try.
But look, it has a few more minutes to go before it's really fully crunchy. So Cynthia is saying once the omena has started getting crunchy, we add salt. Add salt to taste. Let me do the crunchiness process. I just put one and it's crunched by the way. Now we're going to go ahead and add the onion. Look, it has dried so much, you can even see the volume has reduced. Now we're going to go ahead and add the onions. Add tomatoes. Now these are the only ingredients that we will need. Stop this one and you can serve it with the garlic, yes, or you can have it plain with garlic. But we prefer to add milk because you want soup in it, maybe for your kids, or if you prefer having soup in your omena, you can add either milk or coconut milk. But we're going to go ahead and use milk. We're using milk for our omena. You can also try our recipe. You can add milk as well if you want. So we've added 1 glass of milk. Simmer. Wow. Our omena is now ready. So guys, our omena is ready. We're going to go ahead and serve it and enjoy with the garlic. Thank you, Cynthia, for showing us how to prepare our omena.
And thank you guys for having me.
Yeah, so that has been it. And I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you have learned something and that you're going to try this recipe in your own kitchen. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like this video, and also share it. Bye guys for now. And if you're wondering how you can prepare your ugali or kales and spinach, I will link a previous video that I've done before that shows you how I prepare my own ugali and how I prepare the vegetables. That's sukuma wiki and that's kales and spinach. Thank you guys. Bye.